I know marami nang nakabalita nito mga kababayan. Marcos rejects call for hair follicle drug test. It has nothing to do with public trust. It has nothing to do with public trust nga ba talaga, mahal na Pangulo? Yes, people entrusted you, the Philippines. That's why they voted for you. And your office is based on public trust. But how can you maintain that public trust, Mr. President? It's not only Attorney Vic Rodriguez who's calling you and challenging you for hair follicle drug test. Majority of the Filipinos wants to know the status of that, if you are positive or negative. So ano na, Mr. President? Ayaw mo talaga? Ayaw mo lang patulan o may kinakatakutan ka? Di mo mawawala yan sa isip ng mga Pilipino kasi hindi magiging problema ang pagpuprove ng totoo sa taong wala namang tinatago. Well, I'm not saying na meron kang tinatago, pero Mr. President, meron ba?